期待 expect 聞きたい to want to listen to 聞きたい consists of the verb 聞く which means to listen to or to hear and the verb helper たい which means to want to 聞きたい Please notice that the first ki in both words we can delete the vowel So we can say 期待 or 聞きたい We can delete the vowel I, but we have to keep the length of the time. I mean, one more. 聞きたい or 期待 This is a rule for broadcasting, so voice actors and announcers say 期待、聞きたい But ordinary people usually say 期待 or 聞きたい So it would help you listen to Japanese, but you don't need to master the way of vowel deletion 期待、聞きたい Please watch this video for a deeper understanding of vowel deletion 期待、聞きたい Accurately speaking, the second vowel of kikitai is also sandwiched by K and T, so classic announcers say it as kikitai, kikitai. So we can say kikitai, 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 kikitai. All of them are good. So you can say テストどうだった?あんまり期待しないだよ。聞きたいわ。And about the pitch accent of Thai, please watch this video. Thai is really easy. 読みたい、食べたい、頼みたい。Always Ta is high and E is low, so it's very easy. Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent and pronunciation. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。